Today we are making toasted vermicelli kheer from India. This creamy dessert serves 6 people and takes about 35 minutes from start to finish. Let us cook a warm, fragrant pudding you will love. First, let's check the ingredients. 1 liter of whole milk. This is the creamy base of our kheer. 100 grams of fine vermicelli. We will toast it for flavor and texture. 2 tablespoons of ghee. This will help us toast the vermicelli to a deep golden color. 120 grams of sugar. Sweetens the pudding just right. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom. It adds a classic floral spice. 1 pinch of saffron strands. This gives color and aroma. 30 grams of chopped almonds. We will toast these for a crunchy garnish. 20 grams of chopped pistachios. Adds color and nuttiness. 30 grams of raisins. They will plump and sweeten the kheer. 1 teaspoon of rose water. Stirred in at the end for a delicate finish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Warm 2 tablespoons of the milk and add the pinch of saffron strands. Let it steep and set it aside to bloom. Place a heavy-bottom stainless steel saucepan over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of ghee, letting it melt and coat the base. Add 100 grams of fine vermicelli, break it into short pieces, and toast while stirring constantly until it turns deep golden, about 3 to 5 minutes. Transfer the toasted vermicelli to a bowl so it does not brown further. In the same saucepan, pour in the remaining milk to complete the 1 liter and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. Stir and scrape the sides for 5 to 7 minutes so nothing scorches. Lower the heat to low, add the toasted vermicelli back into the milk, and simmer while stirring often until the vermicelli is tender and the kheer thickens slightly, about 8 to 10 minutes. Add 120 grams of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Cook and stir for 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar dissolves and the aroma blooms. In a small dry skillet over low heat, toast 30 grams of chopped almonds and 20 grams of chopped pistachios for 2 to 3 minutes until lightly golden. Add 30 grams of raisins to the warm skillet and cook for 30 seconds until plumped. Transfer the toasted nuts and raisins to a small bowl. Pour the bloomed saffron milk into the kheer and let it simmer for 2 minutes so the color and aroma infuse. Turn off the heat, add 1 teaspoon of rose water, cover the pan, and let the kheer rest for 5 minutes to thicken. Ladle the kheer into serving bowls and finish with the toasted almonds, pistachios, and raisins on top. Serve the kheer warm now, or chill it for at least 1 hour for a thicker pudding. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That is toasted vermicelli kheer, creamy and fragrant. If you enjoyed this video, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe.